All right, questions 7 through 9 go through GCF, LCM, and the distributive property. So this first one says you have 63 pieces of ham and 36 slices of cheese. How many sandwiches can you make? If you want to make identical sandwiches with nothing left over. So this is finding GCF. We need to find the greatest common factor between 63 and 36. In order to find our greatest common factor, we have to list all of our factors of 63, all of our factors of 36, find the greatest one they have in common. So factors for 63, we have 1 and 63, 3 and 21, 7 and 9. Then for 36, 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, 6 and 6. Our greatest number they have in common is the number 9 here. So that tells me that my GCF is 9, which tells me then for the answer, they can make 9 identical sandwiches with nothing left over. Number 8, your mom packs you grapes for lunch every 5th day and PB&J every 6th day. And how many days will she pack you both grapes and PB&J? So if you don't remember that word both right there, it tells me this is going to be LCM. So in order to find your least common multiple, you have to list all of your multiples of the two numbers. We have 5 and we have 6. List our multiples of 5, list our multiples of 6. So multiples of 5, that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and we can stop there because you should be able to see our least common multiple that they both have is the number 30. Therefore, in 30 days' time, they will this student will have both grapes and PB&J in their lunch. Last one, find the GCF of the two numbers, then show how you can use the GCF to demonstrate the distributive property. First step here is to find the GCF. So we have our two numbers, 24 and 42. In order to find the GCF, the greatest common factor, we have to list all of our multiples of both. I mean all of our factors of both. So for 24, 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. For 42, 1 and 42, 2 and 21, 3 and 14, 6 and 7. So looking at this, my GCF is the number 6. Whoa, I just deleted that. It's the number 6. So 6 will be on the outside of my distributive property. Well, what goes on the inside? The partner numbers. So 4 and 7. You always look for the number that was next to your GCF to help you. 4 and 7. What operation goes between those two comes from what you started with. So we started with 24 plus 42. Means this should be a plus sign in between that 4 and the 7. So my correct answer was 6 parentheses 4 plus 7, which is showing the distributive property.